Hey my loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. So my loves, today is going to be a skincare review video and we are going to be reviewing this product here. This is the Nivea Perfect and Radiant Luminous 630 Anti-Dark Mark Serum Advanced Treatment. This product here, we are going to be reviewing this Nivea serum in today's video. I have already finished making use of this product. I've been making use of it for a very long time. Can you see that it is very difficult for it to come outside? It's literally very difficult for this product to come outside. I have almost, like, I have already, not even almost, what's almost, I have already finished making use of this product. So I said, why not I just share a detailed review, my own review on this product, since I am done making use of this product now. Now I've been making use of this product for, like, should I say, 3 months plus now, and that is something I love about this product, is because this product actually lasted for me for a while. It lasted for me for a long time, despite the fact I was using this product every day or almost every day. I love the way this product actually lasted for me for a long period of time. So let's just quickly get right into the review of this product, and I'm going to be starting with the benefits this product offers to me. Okay, and I'm going to share with you your cons, if there is any con that I'll also share with you. So let's just start with the benefits. Okay, now this product, it is like, it's a very good treatment product. Like, on the body of it, this is actually a treatment serum. It is called the anti-dark marks serum. Over here it is written anti-dark mark serum, and it is an advanced treatment. So this is a serum but in a cream form. This is not a face cream. I think they have their perfect and radiant just like in this packaging, but it's their cream form. I don't know, I think they have that, but the one that me I have made use of is this one that is particularly their serum own. This one I have actually made use of. So this is a face serum. I only use this on my face, and it is going to help you with dark spots on your skin. Now the thing I notice about this product is that this actually helps me to get rid of minor dark spots. One of the reasons why I brought this into my skincare routine is because sometimes there are certain products that I will use that will cause pimples on my skin, or sometimes I can just start developing pimples, and then a particular part of my skin starts getting dark, like, because that pimples has dried out, then that place now start getting dark. I have been making use of this product every day. Like, I do make use of this product every day, and I notice that when I make use of this product actually helps me to reduce those dark spots on my skin. Now the only, should I say, is a con, or what I just want to tell you is that this is not, like, I don't really see this product as a Osha, no, not Osha proper. I don't see this product as a, what's this word, fast, okay, let's just use the word fast action. I don't see it as a, it's a good, no, it's a fast act, like, it's a good product, but you know, when you have like major discoloration, like serious ogbonge discoloration on your face, maybe like sunburn or a very major dark spot on your skin, sincerely speaking, despite the fact I love this product, but sincerely speaking, I don't think this product is going to help you get rid of that. I don't actually think that. But if you have like a minor dark spot on your skin, maybe from pimples, okay, that is now leaving dark spots on your face, then you can use this. It will actually help you to treat those dark spots on your face, because this is a dark spots treatment product. This mostly focuses on treating dark spots on the skin. That's like the main reason why Nivea actually formulated this their serum. Now I also want to let you know that this product, you're not going to start seeing results overnight. Yes, this is something I experienced. I experienced that. I noticed that when I was using this product, it took me, like, let's say 3 weeks or to almost 1 month, or let's just say 3 weeks, around that period, before you start seeing visible results. Okay, so it is not something that takes overnight before you start seeing for you to start seeing visible results. You need to be consistent. Yes, that's another thing. You know, I mentioned earlier I use this product on a daily basis. Yes, I actually use it on a daily basis. I use it in the morning and I use it at night. Like, almost every day that I make use of this Nivea product on my face, and it is very, very good. This is like a daily, like when it comes to my day-to-day, my normal skincare routine on a daily basis. Maybe I don't want to be applying every other several things. Then this Nivea is one of the ways I like. It's just one of the dark marks. Oh god, English. This Nivea is one of the anti-dark mark. It's one of the dark marks treatment products I have in my skincare routine that I can use on a daily basis, and it is actually gentle on my skin. This product is not harsh on the skin, and another thing I love about this product is that it is moisturizing on the skin. Yes, that I said this thing comes in a cream formulation. I would have shown you, but I have used it up finish. It can't even. There's nothing. Assuming it could come out now, I would have shown you, but there's nothing coming out from it any longer. It has already finished, and I have to repurchase this product because I love it so much. So I noticed that when I'm doing my skincare routine, so basically how I do it is, if I apply my toner, then I apply my serum in liquid form, like those ones that come in dropper that you now put your serum on your face. Then I will now apply this one on my skin before I now go in with my face moisturizer. That's how I introduce this into my skincare routine. So I notice anytime I apply this, it just gives me that added hydration, that added glow on my skin. Like, I love the glow that this literally adds. With other of my skincare products, this will also add on my skin. So what I'm just going to say is that if you have, like, let's say your dark spot is not like so pronounced, is not so serious, maybe you just have like minor dark spots, maybe from all these pimples, or maybe from little acne marks. Let's say your acne heal and it's giving you dark spot on your face, and you need something that you'll be using every day, maybe in your skincare routine. Maybe you just want a particular dark spot treatment product that you'll be using on a daily basis. Okay, then you can try out this Nivea Perfect and Radiant Luminous Anti-Dark Mark Treatment Serum. This product here, it is going to be so good for you. Like, it is going to be so good for your skin. So that's one of the things I love about this product. Another thing I love about this product is the smell. I'm somebody that loves when my skincare product has very nice smell, although not overpowering scent. This has a subtle scent, and it is, oh god, it smells so good. I love the fragrance, the scent of this serum. I love it so much. And then another thing is the texture of this product. I've already said that this product cannot come out, so the consistency is more in a cream form. Okay, so one thing about this product I noticed is whenever I use it on my skin, it's, apart from the fact it moisturizes my skin, it also gives my skin, like, make my skin feel smooth. Like, when I touch my skin literally feels like smoother. My skin feels more like, it feels moisturized. Like, it even shows, it looks more moisturized. That's another reason why I love this product so much. And yes, I've already said before that I use this every day, so you can actually make use of this product every day. And I use this in the morning, and I use this at night. Even if maybe sometimes I might not make this at makeup, even if sometimes I might not make use of this product in the night, I make use of it every morning, and I love it so much. I've been loving the benefits this product has been giving to me. And yes, I am definitely going to repurchase this product. Okay, I'm going to repurchase this product because I am so obsessed with this product. Now, for skin type, this product can be used by all skin type. This is like a gentle product. It's not so like thick, and like, it's not heavy on the face. Yes, that's the word. It's not heavy on the face. It can be used by any skin type, whether you have a normal skin, a dry skin, oily skin, combination skin. Any skin type you have, you can make use of this product. Or if maybe you have a sensitive skin, maybe your skin do react to certain skincare products. Take for example vitamin C, and you don't want to be using, and you cannot use vitamin C, which is going to help you to brighten your skin, but you also need something that will really help you to also brighten your skin. Then you can use this Nivea anti-dark mark serum. It is good. It will actually help you to brighten your skin if your skin, let's say you have a sensitive skin. Now, for complexion, it is good for all skin complexion, whether you have a dark skin. Forget the fact that I have a fair skin. Okay, even if you have a dark skin, you have a caramel skin, you can make use of this product. This product is not going to change your skin complexion. It's not going to alter your skin complexion. What this product basically does is when you apply it on your face or on your skin, it is going to target the dark marks, the dark spots on your skin. That's what it is going to target. Then it will now help you to treat and reduce or fade the appearance of those dark spots on your skin. So that's basically how this operates. It does not like make you look shades lighter. Okay, it is not going to change you from fair to very fair, or from dark to caramel, or from caramel to fair. Okay, it's your skin complexion is just going to remain like that. This is not all those whitening products that is going to like alter your skin complexion. So it is good for all skin complexion, even if you don't really have major dark spots, but you just want like a very good serum that will give you that brighter, glowing, like more pronounced skin complexion. If you have a dark skin, maybe your dark skin looks more beautiful, attractive, your caramel skin looks more attractive, your fair skin looks more attractive. Okay, this is one product that you can actually make use of. But if you have like a major or a serious dark spot or pigmentation on your skin, like sunburn, then I don't think this will actually assist though. But I don't think this is not like a fast action. That's what I was saying before. This is not really like a fast action product that will like get the job done very, very fast. It's not like that. It's more of a gradual product that needs consistency. I'm still emphasizing that consistency. This product, that was one of the ways I was able to see wonderful results from this product, is from consistency. So this product needs consistency. And now coming to the price of this product, I would say this product is more on the pricey side. So the price I got this particular one was 10,000 naira. Yes, that's the price of this Nivea serum, is 10,000 naira. So just be expecting the price of this product to be between 10,000 naira to 12,000 naira. So that's just my quick review on this Nivea Luminous dark spot serum. Have you made use of this serum before? Let me know what your thoughts about this serum is. Okay, let me just know in the comment section. Have you made use of their cream? Because I'm thinking of trying out their cream. Let me know how their cream is on the skin. Maybe I'm going to try it out, maybe I'm not going to try it out, I don't know. But let me just know what your thoughts about this serum or their cream. Like I said, they have a particular cream that comes in this packaging. So let me know what your thoughts about this product is. And that will be all for this review. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please, 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 please like my video, okay? And turn on the post notification bell. Don't forget, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified when next I drop content like this, whenever I drop a new video. So my loves, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.